Happy morning, children. Let's start the day with a thought of Swami Vivekananda. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. So you should not be lazy. That is what. Okay, let's go on to the topic. Facts and opinions. Okay. The facts and opinions already we have learned, just go through that. See, whenever there is a information given, when you read a passage, whether it is a biography or any other something from the history, okay, for example, if you take that is about the past, you are reading some information in the history. So what is that? Actually fact. And in storybooks, whatever you read, that is opinions. So facts and opinions can be mixed in somebody has written a biography. Here they are written about the partition of India, and facts and opinions are separately given for you. I am just explaining. Two countries were formed based on religions, Hinduism and Islam. It is a fact. Fact cannot be changed. There is a scientific proof for everything, which is called fact. And evidence is there. That is a fact. But opinions change from person to person. Author's opinion. Yaar எழுதுறாங்களோ அவங்களோட view. Okay va? So the partition of India and Pakistan is a landmark event. Landmark event இல்ல அது ஒரு குட்டா பேடான்றது ஒவ்வொருத்தரோட ஒப்பீனியன் சேஞ்ச் ஆகினே இருக்கும். அதனால அது ஒப்பீனியன். அதே மாதிரி since childhood Gandhiji was deeply influenced. That is opinion. Thereby it was believed that he favored Hindus over Muslims. Adu opinion. Okay, Muslims oda opinion irukkalam. Some group of people oda opinion irukkalam adu. But these are all facts. Overnight people were asked to leave houses. His mother was a religious person, followed Hinduism. Idella fact. Next is, what do you observe in this situation? How to use the can and cannot. Okay, that is they are given for practice. What are those words? Can, cannot, may. What are those words? Modal verbs. Actually, what are modal verbs? Verb is an action. Okay, the action is not actually taking place, but it may happen. It might happen. That is what is the meaning. It could happen. Can, cannot. Possibility. Actually action is not happening, but the possibility or the ability of the person subject to happen. That is ability or possibility. Ability means one, I can swim. That is my ability. Okay, so ability and possibility, you use the words can and cannot, may, might, could. Okay, here cannot, easily you can use cannot and make sentence. Raj cannot catch a ball. I cannot speak Spanish. Okay, now how can you change the cannot to can is also given. See here, Raj cannot catch a ball. He practices every day. He can catch a ball. So it is changing like that. The situation we can change cannot to can. Then story clues. What I know, conclusion. We have to write like this. How do you write like this? Clue. That is from reading the lesson you get clue. Then from that you know. You have to write what I know. Conclusion. What conclusion? What the thing you get from that. So clue is Gandhiji sent his son Manilal to find the book. It was late at night. I know that it's difficult for the father to send his son outside the house when it is already late at night. Okay. So that is the what I know. Conclusion is, so from that what I know and what I have read, I can say that Gandhiji believed in keeping his promises. So adilendhu நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல வரோம்? Conclusion. என்ன conclusionக்கு வரோம்? That is conclusion. So you have to read one or two times and then find out what you know and what you conclude from that, your opinion. Next, the grammar book you have this in the workbook. See this one, today action I can take next week. So that means you use a sentence using can. First you use a sentence using cannot. I cannot swim. I cannot swim. So what is the action I can take? I can learn to swim. Then I can practice swimming. Next week what I can do? I can swim. So in the sentence first cannot and put or sentence edhi adukku neenga enna panna poringa, then you have to write I can. So cannot will become can. So this one you have to write on your own only. I can sing, I can read, like that. First sentence should be cannot, in the middle it should be the action you take, and next week you will be able to do that. Okay, so think at least 5 what you cannot and change it to can. Very good. You send the answers to me. Next is there is facts and opinions again in the workbook. See here, he was born in 1907 Lailapur, Pakistan. It is a fact. It cannot be changed. illa ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு இடமா சொல்ல முடியாது, ஒரே இடம் தான் அது born என்றா. So it is a fact. He is remembered as a selfless martyr. He is remembered as a selfless martyr, or he is remembered as a which type of person, அது வந்து it varies from one person to another. So it is opinion. On the date is specifically given. See here, on 17 December 1928 Bhagat Singh planned and killed a British officer. That is a fact. And the incident stayed with him for the and influenced him, inspired, அதெல்லாம் வந்து opinion. Okay. Next is may. Using may they are given sentence. What all can happen? It is not happening, but it can happen. It may happen. Possibility of happening. For example, in the lead they are given tomorrow is Diwali. You say write few sentences. I may burst crackers. I may eat sweets. I may give gifts. Okay. So it is a possibility. You can use your own sentences. Next is subject, modal, verb, object. How will you frame a sentence with that? You see in the next video.